Hi, in this lecture we're going to see address symbols. So we have here about 12 symbols that we're going to see. Okay, so the first symbol is the loudspeaker or speaker as you see here. So let's choose over here the pen. Okay, so this is the loudspeaker. Okay, so this is the symbol of it. Okay, so this is the loudspeaker. Okay, it has two terminal. Always we have here plus and minus. Okay, this is the symbol of amplifier. Okay, so two terminal, the input and the output. Okay, so this is the symbol of amplifier. Okay, so this is the diode. Okay, this is the diode. We have here two diodes as you see. This is the first diode and this is the second diode. So this is diodes. Okay, so the first diode and over here we have the second diode. Okay, so this is the diac or diac. Okay, here we have a chemical capacitor. Okay, with plus and minus. So this is chemical capacitor or polarized capacitor because we have here plus and minus. Okay, but for the PF capacitor, so this is the symbol of normal or PF capacitor without any sign over here. Okay, so this sample is for the microphone, the same principle as this. Okay, the microphone has same principle as loudspeaker. It has two inputs. Okay, plus and minus. So this is the symbol of microphone. Okay, and over here we have the phototransistor. Okay, the phototransistor, the same principle as photoresistor. Okay, so as you see, we have here two arrows. Okay, we have two arrows in this direction because this is a phototransistor. So a phototransistor is a transistor that get or receive a light in its base. So we have here base, okay, and we have here collector, and over here we have emitter. So the activated voltage for the phototransistor is not a voltage itself or a current. No, the light. So the light, if the transistor get the light in its base here, so the current flow will happen over here. Okay, so this is a phototransistor. Okay, so the difference between phototransistor and a normal transistor is in the base. So the normal transistor get a voltage in its base, but the phototransistor get a light in its base. So for the normal transistor, the voltage is the operating signal, but for the phototransistor, the light is the operating signal. Okay, this is a heater. This is the symbol of heater device. Okay, as you see with this line over here. Okay, so this is the symbol of fuse. Always the letter is F, so this is the symbol of fuse. So always the value of fuse, if we use the multimeter to measure, so or the ohmmeter to measure the resistance of the fuse, always near to 0 ohms. Okay, to 0 ohms, always equal or near to 0 ohms. Okay, over here we have antenna. So this is the symbol of antenna as you see here. So antenna, so this is the H symbol. Here we have buzzer, so bill or buzzer. So this is the symbol of bill or buzzer as you see here. Always with two terminals, always we find plus and minus. Okay, plus and minus. And here we have the lamp, so the symbol of lamp, so with two terminals as you see, two terminals, lamp. Okay, and this is the symbol of photoresistor. We have these two around exactly like this. Okay, always as you see here. So photoresistor. So this resistor detects a light. So this is a photoresistor. Okay, so this is the loudspeaker symbol, amplifier, diac. So the capacitor, a polarized capacitor or a chemical capacitor, because we have plus and minus. We have here the symbol of microphone, photoresist transistor, the heater, the fuse, okay, the antenna and buzzer or bill, the lamp, okay, and the photoresistor, okay.